Hello students, hope you are doing well at your homes and safe also. As you know, we have started our electric field chapter, and in that chapter we have discussed so many concepts along with the derivations. Now the turn is for the numerical problems. Few are I have given you through the PDF and one I will solve for you on the board. Hope you will understand this numerical problem. Just see the statement carefully. See students, before solving any kind of numerical, you have to split the information which they have given in the question. Then only you will be able to complete it in a proper manner. Now see what they are asking. They are saying two charges they have given, means two charges they have given, that is plus minus 10 microcoulomb. Now we have the charges are placed 5 millimeter apart. They are saying only about the charges, that two charges are there in which the distance between these two charges is 5 millimeter. They have talked about the distance between the charges. Clear till here? Apart. After first line is completed, though this diagram is given in the question, still if they are not giving you, you should be that much able so that you can draw the diagram by reading the statement by yourself. Clear? Now the next line, find the electric field. Now they are asking to find the electric field at, they have given two parts in one question, two parts they have further divided. They are saying find the electric field at a point on the axis. Very important part, they are saying a point on the axis of dipole. On the axis of dipole means we have to take the relation of axial line. We have done two derivations, one for axial line, another one for equatorial line. Now we have to do the relation, we have to use the relation of axial line. Axis of dipole 15 centimeter. Now see beta, they have given the dipole length 15 centimeter away from its center. From its center, what will be the center? This distance also they have clearly mentioned this thing, that from the center of the dipole to the point where we have to find the electric field, distance is 15 centimeter. Clear till here? On the side of the positive charge. Now they have given more clear information that this distance we are taking on the side of positive charge. Otherwise you can ask this thing also, that ma'am, why we have not taken this 15 centimeter this side? No, because they have clearly mentioned this thing, that 15 centimeter away from its center on the side of the positive charge. Clear till here? Now the second part, what they are asking, a point Q. Here my point Q, I think from the diagram it is like clear to you that Q point is like on the equatorial line. So we have to use a relation of equatorial line. Just read the statement what they have given. A point Q 15 centimeter away from O, means again they have given accurate measurement 15 centimeter away from O on a line passing through O, line which is passing through O and normal. Otherwise you can draw this line also, but they specially mentioned through O and normal to the axis of dipole. Means everything they have clearly mentioned in the statement. Suppose if they have not given this diagram, by reading the statement then also you can make this diagram more clearly even. Now just try to find out what they are asking. Firstly, we will start from the first point. They are saying find the electric field, a point on the axis of dipole. Means we have to use firstly the relation of electric field on the axial line. So what was the relation to find the electric field on the axial line? It was 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2p divided by r cube. That was my relation for finding electric field intensity on the axial line due to electric dipole. So, in order to find this electric field on axial line, firstly I suppose to find the value of dipole moment. What is the formula for dipole moment? Charge into length. Now, what is the charge Q? They have given 10 microcoulomb. So, 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6, and what is the dipole length they have given? That is 15. 15 they have given the dipole length. Clear this thing? No, sorry beta, not 15, 5. The length between the two charges, distance between two charges, that is 5 millimeter. To convert millimeter into meter, what we have to do? 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now just try to solve it. P 5, 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 3, 1 I will take from here. It will be added. So, dipole moment will be 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8. What will be the unit? Unit for the charge coulomb, unit for the distance meter. So, dipole moment I got as coulomb meter. This is my dipole moment. Now, I need to find the electric field intensity on the axial line. I will just put the relation E axial. What I get? 1 upon, what is the value for 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught? In the very starting I made this thing very clear that value for 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught I have 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So, in place of this relation I will write 9 into 10 raised to power 9. The value for dipole moment 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Now, 2 I have to multiply. So, multiply by 2. Now, r cube. Now, which distance I have to take? I have to take this distance 15. This is given in the centimeter. To convert it into meter, I will divide by 100. Then I will get 0.15 cube. Now, solve it. What you will get? After doing little bit calculation, the answer you will get 2.67 into 10 raised to power 5. Now again question comes, what will be the unit? We know the electric field intensity is force per unit charge. Units for the force Newton, unit for the charge Coulomb. So, I will get Newton per Coulomb. This is my electric field intensity on the axial line. Now, A part is completed, done it is. Come to the B part. What will be in B part? In B part, I have the relation for equatorial. You can write this E1 and this is E2. Clear? Now, what is the relation on the equatorial line? Same thing as we have done in axial line. What is the difference? I will not use 2. Simply P upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R cube, and in place of P I will write 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8. In place of 4 pi epsilon naught I will write 9 into 10 raised to power 9. In place of R cube I will write 0.15 cube. Very simple thing, beta. See what you got in the first one, 2.67 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per Coulomb. In that part you just have to divide by 2 only, because in the equatorial relation was like that, P upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R cube. 2 नहीं था इसमें, तो क्या करेंगे? The value which we got for the axial line, we will divide it with the 2 and we will get the relation for electric field intensity on the equatorial line. That will be your 1.33 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per Coulomb. So, this is your required answer. This is my E2 and here my E1. Hope you understood this numerical. It is very important because in a single statement they have asked for axial as well as for equatorial line. Very easy it is, and from the from the exam point of view also this is very important numerical. Hope you understood this numerical very clearly. Still, if you will find any difficulty while solving this numerical problem, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.